Hello everyone, this is me Sadia here, and I'm back with another series of reads that I will be doing for every sign out there. But this reading is going to be for the sign of fishies. So the topic of the reading is going to be what are their intentions. Whoever it is that you're dealing with, you really wonder at times that what do they intend with you? What is that they wish to have with you in future? You can check this reading for sure. So like I said, this is going to be for the sign of Pisces. So yeah, I will be taking oracle cards in this reading, and plus I will also add charms as well, so stay tuned. And before I dive into the read, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram, where I do upload daily reads. So yeah, let's dive into the read and let's find out whoever it is that you're dealing with. Let's find out what are they truly intending with you. Like, what is it that they wish for, the connection for you in this connection that they have with you? What is it that they desire? Maybe you know what it is, but maybe you don't know. So let's find out. The Fool. One thing is for sure, this person doesn't want to get tied to a connection right now. For sure, this person doesn't want to get into anything committed, anything solid, anything which is going to make them feel like they are responsible for it. Like, they don't want an added responsibility to their life right now, is what I'm picking up. So definitely, if it's a person that you are in communication with, I feel like they really want to stay free like a bird. Not that they are intending to have another person in their life, it's just that they are not ready for any sort of commitment or any sort of responsibility added to them, which they will be have they will be they will have to basically take care of. So they would love to add you in their life as a person who could bring them happiness, joy, who can make them feel like life is beautiful. That's what they are aiming with you. It's not like they are not committing to you because maybe they want to keep their options open. It's not the case. It's more like they really want to be playful, having fun with you and all the good things that you can think of. But yes, right now they are not ready for commitment. If you are checking this reading for a past person, as in like person who has maybe ghosted you, or somebody who is your ex or something, in that situation I feel like you really your person really intending to have a new beginning with you in that scenario, because they really want to have another chance with you. They would love to give you and your connection a chance again. So I feel like it's going to be different for different fishies. The one who are dealing with the person, I feel like they really want to stay free. They don't want to have any sort of committed relationship. But yes, if it's a past person that you are dealing with, as in like an ex, or somebody that you have stopped talking to, somebody you are not talking to, then I feel like this person really wants to have a new beginning with you. Let's make see more cards. Two of Swords, Nine of Swords. I feel like your person is somebody who's very fearful of commitment. Deep down they are committed to you, but then they don't want to be like verbalizing it. Basically, they are somebody who would feel a lot, but they would never verbalize their or they are not vocal about their emotions, is what I'm picking up. So it seems like your person thinks a lot about you, to the point where at times they find it hard to sleep without you as well. This person is somebody who wants to be with you, but at the same time on their terms and conditions, is what I'm picking up. This person does have a lot of fear attached to commitments and stuff like that. For some of you, maybe it's the karmic thing which makes them fearful about commitments. I don't know. It could be a karmic thing. It can be a situation they might have closely seen in their life, where they where the commitments don't last long, so they are fearful around it. Once you make them kind of comfortable with the what you share together, this person will gradually open up about commitments and stuff like that. But as of now, it seems like this person's energies are they would want to be with you, but at the same time on their terms and conditions. I don't think that they will be open to have extra relationships other than you. It's just that that's how they see relationship right now. Let's take more cards. Eight of Cups, Five of Wands, the Moon. I feel like, if you have left this person, or if it's a past person that you are checking this reading for, you leaving them or them leaving you does affect them so bad. Maybe you don't see that, but that's what it is. Like, they do get stressed around thinking about you because they love you. They have feelings for you. They have commitment issues. Trust me on that. This person is fearful around it. This person is somebody who's not ready to be vulnerable to get hurt again. If they have been hurt in the past, they are not ready to go through the same shit again. They don't want to deal with that. The moment they have a thought about commitment, it just scares them away. So not that they don't miss you, they do miss you. Not that they never got affected by you leaving them. They did got affected. Like, it's more like, they got so affected that you cannot even realize that. You think that they don't miss you or something. They do. They think about you. They like I said earlier, you don't understand their, if you had lived a life like that, you would have understood their perspective around love and relationship and commitments. This person does love you, but I feel like, they will never say it until and unless they are so sure that not you know that they are not gonna get hurt by you, that you're not gonna use them or their emotions, or you are not gonna play with them or their emotions. This person might seem to be insensitive to your emotions, but deep down they are very sensitive to their own emotions. Underneath the deck, we do have the Nine of Pentacles. This person really wants to stay single. They don't want to tag the I'm in a relationship situation to the connection, but deep down they will be committed to you. Like I said, let this person be the way they are, until unless they are ready to break free from the old patterns, and they will. Like, just be patient with your person, and trust me, they will open up to, um, trust that they will open up to the commitment soon as well. For those of you who are dealing with a past person, they will be coming forward with the commitment soon, is what I'm picking up, because I feel like, it's like I said, gradually but surely, there is going to be a change coming in your person's attitude towards you. But yes, you have to be patient with them, and for, you have to wait for the change that you would be seeing in your person. So yeah, let's see the oracle messages. Let's see what the oracle has to add to the read for you guys. Let's see. Okay. New psychic and spiritual experiences are changing the way you view the world and yourself. Allow your spiritual gifts to open through study, prayer, and meditations. You can use prayer and meditation to make things work in your favor. For some of you, I feel like, it's gonna, for especially for the people who are dealing with the person who is out of touch with you. I feel like, your person is, um, with the help of divine, is going to come back to you very soon, because they are understanding the connection a better way now. For those of you who are dealing with the current person, and you are with this person and you are happy with the way things are, I would suggest you to go with the flow. Don't pick up fights, arguments, and stay with this person. Meanwhile you stay with this person, you can always use affirmations, meditations, to make this person open up about feelings, emotions, and love for you. They do have love for you right now. They need the time right now, they need the space. Once you have given them the time and space, trust me, they don't intend anything bad for you. They don't intend to use your emotions. They are intending to have a good time with you, and see where it leads. It's more like, they are not like, maybe when you got into a relationship with this person, maybe you had your high hopes that it will lead towards marriage. This person is keeping it, to this, this person is kind of, keeping it to the ground. Basically, they are not having high expectations around it. As it comes, they will see. Like, it's more of that energy. Medicine Mother, honor your inner knowing. Listen to your inner calling around the whole situation that you're dealing with in your love life, because that's going to guide you more. Because I'm picking up different, situations here based on different people or different set of, fishies. Like I said, for some of you, I feel like, it's a situation that you're dealing with the current person right now. For others of you, I feel like, the past person is the one who is showing up in the energies. So whatever matches you and your situation, do act, work according to that, because that's going to help you a lot. But yes, prayers and affirmations will eventually help both the groups here. So yeah, let's see the charms now. Let's see what the charms has to add to the read for my fishies. you are mine, all mine. This person really believes that you are all theirs. Yes, I do see that after turbulent situation in the connection, your connection will start falling into the you know into the place again. I feel like this connection is very slow, but it will evolve to the point where you will have a new beginning with your person eventually, and that beginning will be something that's gonna last forever. Affirmations are gonna help you a lot. Repetitive thoughts. Watch your repetitive thoughts. Make sure they are positive because that will manifest. For some of you, you really need to meditate at night because it's going to help you a lot. We do have just one alphabet, which is S. So yeah, it can be your name initial of the person that you're dealing with as well. So yeah, this permission can go for my fishies for this read. If the reading resonated with you, to like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal read, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye.